Gemini, congratulations on the big Undertaker coffin set pickup. That is a fucking epic box set. I too also picked up something epic as well. Went grocery shopping. My Walmart had a end cap of WWE figures, and this ties in to my basic Hulk Hogan that I have right here. You're gonna fucking love this. This is fucking epic. The WWE Battle Packs, NWO, Kevin Nash, and Scott Hall. Fucking A. Let's open this bad boy up. Too bad that we won't be able to get a Hulk Hogan in the but this is 2/3 from having a completed NWO. They both come with 2 accessories. Hall and Nash both come with black sunglasses. They both come with cans of spray paint. Yeah. Fucking awesome. Put the can of spray paint in big sexy Kevin Nash's hand. Don't make fun of me. That's actually Kevin Nash's nickname in WCW. Kevin Nash holding the can of spray paint. Scott Hall out of the package. Wearing the fucking sunglasses and oozing the machismo. Get a spray can out of there. God damn it. Yeah. One thing I don't like about their hand molds is Mattel makes them a little too tight. That's what she said. Get that in his hand. And basically, looks like he's holding a can of beer. Basically, at this angle, looks like he's holding a can of beer. But this is a fucking badass 2-pack. Fucking Kevin Nash fell over. You're ruining my fucking display, dude. Yeah. Both come with them painted on NWO shirts. Let's get the sunglasses on them. Let's get the sunglasses on Kevin Nash. What the fuck? Fuck me. Yeah, I can't seem to get the sunglasses on them. Ah, fuck it. He still looks pretty badass about the sunglasses. Look, don't fall over. And let's get Hulk Hogan in there. Now, that looks pretty fucking badass, if I do say so myself. Unfortunately, Hogan is not in the matching shirt, and we probably won't get a Hogan in his NWO garb anytime soon, but this is pretty fucking close enough. Till next time, peace.